I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and excited today because today I'm participating in Collab with the Daughters of Destiny for Baby It's Cold Outside, where you style or share something that gives you comfort during the colder months. I'm going to be doing a cozy night in. First, I'm going to introduce you to my co-hosts and we'll get right into the video. So guys, my co-hosts for the Daughters of Destiny are Miss K from Creating with Miss K, also Debbie Bubbles, and Shawnee from Shawnee on the Spot, Gigi Faison for the Love of the Court, and of course me, Lady Cinnamon, of course. And guys, for my night in, I like to get nice and cozy with some cozy warm PJs, and then I like to set the tone. And I really did want to catch up on some decorating, just light decorating before I got started, just to set the tone, because I really didn't get a chance to finish all of that. So now I'm going to go ahead and get started. My husband wanted some tapas or apps for dinner, so guys, this is going to be quick and easy. I got a charcuterie from Trader Joe's and we're going to put this out for him, and guys, this has everything in it, so all I had to do was plate it and go ahead and set it out for him. And then I can go ahead and get started with the snacks for the movies, and also go ahead and get started with what we're eating. So I'm going to make some popcorn for the movie snacks for our night in, for the cozy time. I'm going to spread out the popcorn on parchment paper, and then I'm gonna get some chips, some classic white from Ghirardelli, the good stuff, and the good dark chocolate, yes God. And I'm gonna go ahead and put these in separate containers, add a little bit of oil, and microwave them until they're smooth but not too long, because you don't want to ruin the chocolate. And guys, I'm gonna drizzle all of this delicious goodness on top of this popcorn. Lord have his way, it will be delicious. And I'm also gonna go and add on the white, but then I'm gonna get some nuts. Now I have some really delicious mixed nuts, and it's like cashews and walnuts and peanuts, and also I added in a little bit of dried cranberries. And guys, this is so good. I'm gonna go back with that dark chocolate and the white chocolate and just lock in all of that nutty delicious goodness, and then I'm gonna put it in the fridge to cool, so that way I can put it into bags later. Now I got out my lemongrass chicken sticks and also some bacon wrapped scallops from Trader Joe's. Yes, now I got this cute little Lazy Susan from Amazon and the mini hibachi to go with it. This is perfect for s'mores, so while the food is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and get this out. Now all you need is some food grade gel. I'm gonna light it up and get your favorite s'mores items that you like. And guys, this is awesome. I'll leave all this in the description bar below if you're interested. But guys, I absolutely love doing s'mores like this. It's so cute. Now when I'm plating, I like to use dishes and items that like serveware that can go with what we're eating. So that's the reason I pulled out this little Asian looking tray, and I'm just gonna go ahead and plate these up. And then the other apps, I'm just gonna basically put on a regular dish. And I'm also going to go ahead and get out some nice cloth napkins instead of the paper ones, because I like to get it in for date night. Yes. And while my husband goes ahead and takes the tray over, I'm going to go ahead and get started on what we're going to be drinking, which is some coffee. I got this Nespresso machine. Guys, I love this machine. It's amazing. And I have the Arancino also to do frothing. The hubby wants the peppermint. I'm going to have the pumpkin pie spice from Nespresso, and you got to order them from their website or go pick it up from the store while it's in stock, guys, or you will not be able to get in on these delicious flavors. Keep that in mind. Oh. So I'm going to go ahead and put some whipped cream on his and add some peppermint to really give it a nice look for, you know, just, I love to just set it up right. And for me, I'm going to add a little bit of my pumpkin pie spice syrup from the frother. I'm going to add some whipped cream also, and then some pumpkin spice. And I'm Lady Cinnamon. I like things spicy. And of course, I'm going to add a cinnamon stick just to finish it off. So So guys, now my husband went to change into some really cozy matching PJs, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the popcorn ready for the movie. So guys, it's nice and cool, the chocolate, and I got these really cute popcorn bags. I think they're adorable, and it just really adds another effect to the movie night and just getting in that movie mood. And guys, this tastes so amazing. You gotta try this recipe, I'm telling you. And he went ahead and he went to just put the lights down, you know, set the mood. He cut on the Christmas tree. He got out my favorite throw. And then he's put the fireplace on and just really set the tone. And of course, picked a really good chick flick for me. Thank you. And we're all ready and set for our movies. And guys, we had so much fun making this video. We really did. And of course, the popcorn was great. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this collab for Baby It's Cold Outside. And be sure to take a look at all of the other co-hosts and participants videos that we'll have on the playlist and for Baby It's Cold Outside. And guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I did. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. And thank you so much for watching. You guys are great.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true.